This Toyota Highlander 014 is a fraud. There's a little fraud that happened in our area. That's what it caused the car. So it's not starting. We need to remove all the wire and replace all the complete wire. As you can see, all the sockets. See it. It's now enter water. You need to replace all the sockets. You see it. It's Highlander 14. As you can see it, we are working on it. The car is already started. See it. This is the jar lever. Can see it with Highlander. See here the sockets. The car is fraud. The water has spoiled the socket, and now see the relay. So we need to replace all the sockets and change everything so that the car can be in a good order. Even though the brain box is already enter water, so we need to replace the brain box. As you can see, this is another brain box. Checking the number out, you can google the number. It's going to tell you the real car that is getting it. So see it, everything is intact.